Welcome to Garment Pro ERP system. Today, I will show you the product master file. Okay, let's start. Sign in into the system, and then click the top right menu icon to open the menu page. Let's go to Product Master. Click the block named Products, and then click the Product/Material Master. It is a Product Master interface. On the right top corner, it can set different nature types of product. That means master of the product, accessory or material, fabric and the service item are also created by this interface. The nature affects the data field below, so before inputting the item's information, it needed to define the item nature first. Once selected target nature, the information of item can be filled into below input box. Okay, let's open an existing record. It is a product item, and named shirt. You can see that there is information about this item. And these master records are support image upload, up to 5 images. The next tab is color and size. This interface is set up to define the item's color and size. And the between color and size is a multiple price schema. The multiple price schema is a set of prices to set up selling prices in different colors and sizes, if they are different. For example, if a cost of special color is more expensive, so the selling price needs to mark a higher price. And this multiple price schema or single price schema is useful for creating sales orders, and helping users to fast insert the unit price. The next tab is the supplier. You can record the supplier and his quote price here. It is especially useful for material nature. It is because when calculating the product cost, the system will use this information as a preliminary price model to calculate the estimated cost of the product to help the planner set the sales price. Click here to add a new supplier. The new quote price interface also supports multiple price schema. You can enter the quotation into the schema accordingly. And then set the currency and the payment terms. You can also enter the minimum order quantity information. Click the pop-up window corner tick icon to complete the input. This column shows the status of the record. When you set the record as the default price, a green icon will appear, indicating that this is a default price record. The next tab is size specifications, which are used to set the specifications of each measurement point, for QC suggestions, and also for checking the quality of production. The next tab is a dimension, which is used to set the packaging size and weight of the items in the single item, in inner box and in outer box. These data will be used for sales orders, a rough calculation of the order's volumes and containers. The next tab is the material combo, which records the material combination information of the product, or the bill of materials (BOM) information. But this interface data is read-only. Since this information is usually updated by internal production staff. Therefore, the system is divided into 2 sections to isolate sensitive sales information and production information. If you want to edit, you need to click the Edit button to pop up another interface to edit the changes. The next tab is the cost sheet, which records the cost information of each material, and calculate the cost of product. If you want to more detailed information, you can get the another video to fully describe this tab operation. The next tab is Upload, you can upload any file to attach this item. For example, click the cross icon to browse and upload your local file, and then to enter the file description. The next tab is Order Records. You can find the transaction document, which relative to this item. Enter the criteria you are looking for, and click the search button to search for related documents. And the result list is clickable and allows you to open these documents. That is the end of tutorial. Thank you for your watching.